Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, another learning for today. In this video, I will show you where you can find your subscribers and check the statistics like how many subscribers have you gained and how many subscribers have you lost. So let's go. All you have to do is go to your videos. First, let's check the subscribers. To find, as you can see here, I have current subscribers 1,372. So that's the current one. And you can see here in the recent subscribers feature, these are the people or the YouTube channels who have publicly subscribed to you. So those who privately subscribe to you, you cannot see them here in the subscribers. So let's check. You can check uh, to display like 10 rows per page or 50 per page. So it's 1,372. So how many public subscribers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 50, 3, first page. Okay, so that's for the last 90 days. Let's choose the lifetime. So you can opt to choose the lifetime. So let's start again. 50, 1, 2, 100, 3, 150, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. There are only 13. Yeah. So 13 times 50 rows per page. So there are only like 650 people or 651 to 682 who have publicly subscribed to my channel. So this status that you can find here, action, um, you can see subscribe and unsubscribe. So it means I have not subscribed to them. So if I click on this one, this is like a ninja account or their other account. So no need for me to subscribe to these channels. So yeah, it's really important that like we create our own ninja account, so to add to our subscribers. So for example, this one, for the last 7 days, Natlin's TV has subscribed to me, so I'm going to click on this one if I want to subscribe to him. So this one also 82. This one, Chao Riwata Namchun, no need to subscribe because this is a ninja account. I have another video that discuss about creating an email address or creating a ninja account. So these are the people who have subscribed to me publicly. Those people who have subscribed to you publicly, you can see their every time they subscribe to you, you will receive an email like this one. MGOFW KSA has subscribed to you on YouTube, Rumel Recablanca, but if they choose to privately subscribe to you, you will not receive a notification. So where you can find that private subscription, just go to the settings, and then wait, that's on your YouTube account, general, oh yeah, channel, then advanced settings, then go to your manage YouTube account. So for example, if you don't want your name or your YouTube channel to appear on the public subscriber, just go to privacy, then keep all my subscriptions private. So click on that one. Your subscriptions won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. So for me, I want them to know that I have subscribed to them publicly, so I didn't enable this feature. But if you want to subscribe privately, just click on this one. Yeah, move it to the left or to the right. Now let's go to the statistics, like how many subscribers have you gained and how many subscribers have you lost. So go here to the analytics, then audience, go to audience, then click on the subscriber. Yes, subscriber, then click on see more video. So here you can see subscribers by video. Then go to more metrics. You can see subscribers gained. So for the last 28 days, I have gained 114 subscribers. So they are coming from like Moonstar. From my Moonstar 88 cover, I have gained 40 subscribers. For my tutorial 14, 12, and so on and so forth. You can also choose to, like, I want to check from the start, since I have started, how many subscribers have I gained. So I have gained like 2,657 subscribers. Now let's go here to the subscribers have you lost. Just click on this one, the video, more metrics, then subscribers lost. Okay, so from the start, I have lost 1,285 subscribers. So that's a lot over time. So it's 2657 I've gained. Then I've lost how many 1,285. So that's my current subscriber is 1,372. So that's correct. If you check this one, 1,372. So that's where you can check the stats of your subscribers. So I have lost in the mother and singing. Most likely they might have don't like that video. You can also choose for the last 7 days. So I've lost 2 subscribers. So that's it. That's where you can check your subscribers, know the difference between public subscription and private subscription. And yeah, I hope you learned something from this video, and comment down below your feedback or any comments. Thank you. Bye.